Good morning, everybody. You know, sometimes you break down, you need a buddy. Mike wins, your buddy. Oh, hi. I guess Nick broke down on the street. He was coming with his Jeep, and his Jeep is work in progress. Back when we were in college, Nick he lived on a very big property, and I drove his Jeep in the backyard. But he's in the process of getting it revitalized, and I guess it broke down on the street. Don't worry, Nick. Your Asian friend is here to save you. I'm here to save you, my white friend. What happened? You want to tell us what happened?
I stopped to get a burrito, and this is the Earth's way of telling me that I should not stop and got that burrito because now it won't start.
Here's the Jeep. There's a Jeep that we drove in the backyard. It's cool. Keeps causing them problems though. Moment of truth. Whoa, whoa! Wow.
You like my hot wiring job?
Yeah, I saw that. That looked ghetto as hell.
Hey, I saw your GTR, and I wanted that push button.
Oh, okay.
So I got that push button.
It makes sense.
Oh, hey, Omar, you inspired me.
Omar, you just got called out. Sorry guys, I didn't tell you what we were doing. Nick came over in the morning because the trailer brakes don't work and I want to take it on a long haul to Sacramento with the cars and merchandise in there. But I don't want to do it without the trailer brakes because the family's usually in the truck. We've been driving without the trailer brakes, which is okay because it's only been me and I've been driving pretty safe, but going a 400-mile long haul, you know, traveling up to I-5, it's a little sketch, so we want to make sure it's good. And there's high winds over in the 5 too. You know the most interesting thing about all this? I haven't been trailing that long. How's it looking?
Good. They might want you to leave it. Do you want to pull the GTR out?
I can leave it.
Huh?
I can leave it in there.
Sure.
Or do you think? Do they need access inside?
No.
Yeah, just leave it. I'll just lock it. Lock it up.
Okay.
Yeah. Just let me know how far to go back. Okay. The interesting thing is I haven't been trailing that long, and I feel super confident. I guess considering how much time I've been doing it, like I've been hauling a lot, and I watched a lot of YouTube videos on how to do it. A lot of videos. It's kind of story of my life when I learn anything. It's watching a lot of videos and obsess over it to get really good at it. Boom. Locked and loaded. Check this out, guys. This is from Smelly Panda. Oh damn. Can you open this? I think it's like high tech. Got a couple others too. Black squash is a popular one. I've got another one of these. These are vent ones because they look real pretty. Then I got one of these. Alright, let's put this on your side. Make you smell good again.
Do you like my air freshener? It's the Panda.
Is it dead again? We're all going in the truck? Okay. He's just on the sidewalk, no big deal. Wow. Wow. He's just on the sidewalk. Damn, look. He's still on the sidewalk. Damn. What's up, squad? What up, man? Squad, what's up, man? So Rob says cowboy butts drive him nuts. And big truck mop business. I should have stopped this on the start. Nick did this to me. I know. I drove around for a minute with this. Fucking asshole.
For like a week.
Fucking asshole. I was gone for like a week. Scared, bro? Okay, current process is offloading this bad boy. Oh, we just saw a pretty car. Hold on. If you guys watched yesterday's vlog, we actually moved a bunch of stuff over here, but there's one thing we're shutting down the entire half day to do. Bunch of cardboard.
Hopefully we got enough boxes to support.
War zone.
Yeah, we're
building forts. Look at that. We bought Nerf guns, and they're actually gonna start building. So the idea here is to actually build a fort from one side, another side, obstacles in the middle, ammo in the center, disperse it across the room, and then 2v2. Hey, say hello. Yeah? No? Okay.
What's up, bro? Oh, you know, just looking at that Subaru I'm gonna buy next weekend.
Oh, so okay, Josh might be selling his Jeep.
No, there isn't a might. It's
You will.
done.
Okay, so you're getting a Subaru, and we're not gonna say what year, what
I was
model.
about to say it right now.
Yeah, you gotta
Oh,
wait.
man.
You gotta keep them waiting. So Thomas and I went and picked up the trailer. Nick actually went to work. We actually have trailer brakes, guys. No longer risking our lives. Wow, look at that. Brand new breakaway system. Thomas, we are now safe.
Nice.
We actually have trailer brakes where, I'll see how it feels, but I've been towing a GTR or 240 with tires with no brakes. So what we're doing here is backing up the trailer and seeing if it'll fit. Scary because I don't have a lot of trailer time, really.
Keep going, yeah, you're good, you're good.
Oh my gosh, all right, we're back at the new office of Thomas. Look at this. What's up, homie?
What's up?
Cyrus. Ooh, look at this. Oh, I like that fort. Kill each other. What's up, Iris?
Yeah, you see how girls are not allowed to play?
Boys only. It's like Sylvia, dude, when she's always trying to play, but like, get out of here.
She was
Josh
pretty
did.
down on that one right there, dude.
No, I mean, too bad she's not here because this is shit.
Hey,
This is
tell her, come down, come down.
This is during work hours. We're all getting paid to be here.
Haven't even started.
I'm not getting paid to be here.
Oh,
What are you
suck it.
talking about?
Have this.
What are you talking about?
Our new employee, Josh.
Josh.
That works for free?
Seasonal.
He gets paid in food.
At Home Depot?
He gets paid in food.
All right, so we're gonna do one. That it's gonna be even game, and then after that, we're gonna randomly pick where it's gonna be a 3-on-2 game, which is obviously gonna be unfair. Oh, but I mean, according to Thomas, though, he's the greatest, guy here that
is
knows
that
how to do
right?
everything. So, I mean, let's just watch out now for that one.
I don't know, he looks a little shy to me.
You can just like put the box together,
Sup,
just throw it. What's up, homie? Wanna go? Wanna go? Wanna play?
Hey, babe. Babe. Do you remember when we only had one cardboard box in the apartment? when
Oh,
did
we have
this?
busy house. Actually, yes. Do you guys know the story? I told Iris I'll get her house one day. And when I got her house for her, it was cardboard.
There
And we
was
put
a
it in our
picture,
living room.
yeah.
Team deathmatch, 2-on-2. Ammo touches. Ammo gets shot. It's done. It's used. It's over. You have these ammo. These are special guns, so you can fight to get over to grab it.
There's ammo spots.
There's ammo spots right there and right there. You can grab them. team name?
Team Blue.
Lame.
Team Vergudos. Let's get it.
All right, round one. Let's go. Let the games begin. This is a dangerous place. You guys take him out? Did you take him out? What happened? What happened? Tell us. Replay. What happened? Ooh!
I blanked Thomas. He didn't see me coming. Blanked him. He tried to push him. And
Damn! My losing team. What happened?
That's not a losing team. That's letting people know that they can win sometimes. You gotta let people know
he
they can
pushed me
win.
off of the center, so.
Damn! And over Shark Boy got support, right? Enjoying the show?
Yes.
Huh? Enjoying it?
You know what I mean? Like you guys to take each other out.
What's your pre-game strategy, huh?
Ammo.
Pushing
and then annihilate.
Oh shit! I almost got hit. Oh, this is dangerous. Josh is out. Oh, he's out. One on one. One on one. Oh, ballsy. Ballsy. He came out of cover. Woo. Guys, what happened?
Ran out of ammo.
Ran out of ammo. Okay. What
I'll
happened?
see you when I win.
Dynamic duo.
Dynamic duo.
Hello. I do some else back here.
Ready? Go. Oh, I almost got a kill. Damn. Woo. Good shit, Mike. Good shit.
You seem like you're baffled by this.
I thought Shark Boy was covering me. Next thing you know, Iris pulls up right in front of me and blank shots me.
Man, point blank.
Point blank.
What went wrong? What went wrong?
It was intense. That was a hard rush. Huh?
Freaking blitzkrieg, right?
Michael's coming at me, so I tried to blank.
But you were distracted over here.
Yeah.
You guys got split. Hey guys, just to let you know, I'm undefeated.
Oh my god. Undefeated?
Undefeated. On multiple different teams.
Yep, that's true.
No, it was windscreen.
She got hit by a bouncing ball. No, bouncing ball. Yeah, it didn't hit you directly. You're in still. Damn. I'll go. Thanks. Ah, hit me. You down? Yeah. Get out.